Yo, what's going on, guys? So my car has been having some problems, some rear clunking issues. I kind of hurt in the front, but I don't know what it's going to be. Maybe it's going to be something in the engine. So I've been doing my research for about a week now, and I have come to the conclusion that it could be a lot of type of things in the car. So everything I have found here, they're not my ideas. I have read through them. I have read through many forums, and I will be linking everything in the description below. I'm going to be making a checklist in this video and going to be showing you guys every single little thing you could check, basically to reduce the clunk or make the whole clunk go away. Alright, so basically the first thing you want to do is, what I'm going to do is loosen this up all the way. Basically you're going to end up pushing it forward, and then it is kind of crooked right now, so you're going to push it forward and then kind of out like that. So you basically want the bolts going as center as possible. Once you have it here, it's going to start locking it up, and then get your ratchet and then start tightening it down. Basically the whole point of loosening it up instead of just tightening it is you're gonna end up pushing everything to the center so everything's aligned right. Check this one, and for the strut, that back one, I don't really think that one's gonna be loose, and that one. And then might as well just be checking this way bars. Out of all that, make sure you guys double check these. Basically this one, and then I don't know if you guys can see it, but that one inside. This one was really loose for me, and I tightened it down, so maybe that's what made it. Yes, I know my engine bay's dirty. Haven't cleaned it in a while. After the wreck, it's been at the body shop for a while, so I need someone to come and clean it for me, because I don't know what to clean, basically the electrical stuff. So besides that, these three as well, you want to do basically these like strut bars kind of things, these two same, and then basically on the other side. And after that, basically for the front, you want to be checking this at the top, make sure there's no basically gaps back here or back here basically. And then make sure your strut is not blown out, like it's not hanging anywhere or it doesn't look weird, because that could probably be a big reason why your car is clunking. Just in case, might as well be checking all the bolts. And you guys just want to be very precautious of everything. Just make sure everything's tightened down or everything's stored to the right specs, because anything could make a difference and then you're gonna end up jacking your car up and it's a big hassle again. Alright, so there you go guys, that's your checklist. Basically check the back, check the front, and check the engine. After that, take your car for a spin around 10-15 minutes, put the windows down, no music, no nothing, and try to hear that clunk again, or if you hear any kind of like screeching or any type of like ticking. They're not my ideas, I took them from forums, but I try to make a video so more people can see them on YouTube and probably get more help. But other than that, thank you guys so much for watching. Peace out.